Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. So in this video we are going to see how we can do validation in our data contract. So let me open this particular dialog box. So now whenever we click on this runnable class, for example, let's say, so from date should always be less than with 2 days, right? So currently if you can see, I can take a nearby future date. For example, I can go to 20, like any random date. And when I click OK here, it is simply passing. So I want to restrict this behavior. I want to put some kind of validation in my data contract. Now to, achieve this, what I can do here, if you see currently I have used this initializable. So what I can do, similarly, we have one more thing, that is this operation validable. Okay, now once you use this, you can put your validation here. So then you can basically override a function. So your function name is public boolean and validate. So you can override this function and here you can write your code. So what I can do, I can define a boolean type. I can say it as is valid. Initially I will assume everything is good, so I'm going to assign true value and let me return this is valid first. So I will say return is valid. Alright, now we'll do our actual validation. So what I will do, I can simply say if my from date if this will be greater than my to date, then I want to pop up an error message and I want, like, so basically the user should not continue. So what I can do, I can use this check failed. Here I can pop up a message that from date cannot be greater than to date, something like this, and I can assign this value to my this variable is valid. So basically it will return false here and it will prompt this particular message. So let me save it and let me trigger a build. So my build is completed, and now when I will try to assign a from date that would be greater than this to date, for example, I'm in November, I will go to December and let me select 18 and I will click on OK. So I should get this error message. So let me reiterate what we did. In this video, we want to see how we can put validation in our data contract. So for that, we have simply implemented this SysOperation validable, and then we have simply used this method. Here we simply write our logic, we put the condition, and then we display this error message, and at the end we return false to this particular method so that our UI will get stopped here and will get this particular message popped. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.